Hey, you're back in the garage with TheEZGZ. Hope everybody's doing well today. This is my fan car, and I was having an issue with my fuel pump. I took off the Mr. Gasket and put on this Carter fuel pump. I turned on the pump with the engine off, and it was reading 3 pounds. And somebody left in the comment section that it might go up with the car running and the alternator charging. I found that not to be the case, and I'll show you right here. Hopefully, as I rev it up, it actually is dropping down a little bit. So, and I've been driving the car, but irritating the neighbors, and no problemo. I will tell you this, I do remember running that other style pump, that if I did take a fuel line loose right after driving it, there was excessive pressure. Oh, I don't know about excessive, but there was the pressure in the line, and it would squirt all over the place. This one, I had it sitting here to put this T in, and I took it off, and hardly anything came out. And here's why. My whole issue was when I pulled, I was trying to get my fuel line off of this nipple, and it came out. And now I know why. Because inside, that's a check valve. That's why this thing is removable. There's a ridge in there, and it's got this sealing washer, and I think it's supposed to do that. But on an off-road car where you're bouncing around, I think it's best that I took it out. Now, if this looks like a piece of plastic, I'm not sure you can smash it out. And let's think about it. This is not high enough pressure for fuel injection, but I don't know if you've ever heard of the Delordo drip or any kind of carburetor. When you shut it off, it allows any pressure, if you're using hoses, to push that fuel back. And guys don't realize it, but you know, I see all kinds of setups where guys have their gas tank mounted high, in the back, down low, different places. But and I'm speculating. I don't have the cut sheet on this anymore, but I was looking at it a little closer, and it definitely goes in there, and it won't rotate because there's little splines on there. But I'm surprised. You know, this is the pressure side. I guess they got it figured out. I'm gonna I'll keep it around the shop and use it on my test engines, on my engine stand. That's what I'll do with it. So, okay guys, that's it. Short one today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out.